A new flagship DS automobile is allegedly being planned and is dubbed to replace the C6 model, which is now out of production. The all-new DS8 is supposedly being readied for launch in 2018 where, according to New Europe Today, it will only be available in China until it is released into Europe at a later date, with the US having to wait until 2020 for their glimpse of this new model. The DS8 is set to be a mid-sized sedan with inspiration and design cues taken from the Divine concept car and the original 1955 DS. The Citroen DS division are doing well, with the DS3 currently outselling the C3, its Citroen counterpart. Despite this, reports show that sales are slowing by up to 25% as the range of products changes and the need for new, exciting models is blatant to reignite the interest from customers. DS is now a separate unit from Citroen and its efforts to be separated from its French partner are apparent, with DS dropping the distinguished double chevron trademark of Citroen in place of its own DS logo. Despite this, there will be similarities between the classic Citroens and the DS range, as the DS8 is likely to be based on the EMP2 platform, the same platform used in the Peugeot 308 and Citroen C4 Picasso, but with a more refined suspension system to make the ride a little bit smoother. The DS8 will be competing with the likes of the BMW 5 Series and the Audi A6, which will certainly be a tough market to crack for this new range. However, it seems the manufacturers are confident that their focus on sophistication and establishing themselves as a premium brand will help the DS find its place on the market, including granted features inside the cabin for an extra touch of class. The DS8 will be powered by turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol and diesel powertrains, and a hybrid version will also be available. Although details of the car's performance are currently unknown, it seems the DS brand is certain on where they want to go, and premium luxury looks to be the way.